In this video, we are going to review Skool. Is it still worth it in 2026? We're going to look at the pros and cons, and I'll help you decide whether it's worth it or it's worth paying for in 2026. But before we start, if you want to try Skool yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to get 14 days free and start building your community, courses, and memberships today. So let's get started. First of all, you can just go and open a browser, go to skool.com and log in into your account. This is the basics. And now, what basically you get with Skool? Skool combines several tools inside one platform. You get basically, let me just go here to, as an example, community that I have. So you get community feed, of course, here where members can create posts, ask questions, and comments. You also get a classroom for courses, guides, templates, and other learning resources. You get the calendar tab, and here basically you can use it for live calls, any upcoming events, while the leaderboard basically, the leaderboard tab adds points and levels to encourage participants. Skool also, of course, provides direct messaging between community members. So you can always go to members. If you want, you can click on a specific person and talk to them directly. And here is the direct chat example of Skool. You should find it here normally at the top right. So this means you may not need basically one platform for your community, another for courses, and another for live events. But however, Skool focuses on doing these core things simply. It does not try to provide every advanced features available in dedicated courses or course or website building platform. That simply is either one of its biggest advantages or one of its biggest weaknesses, depending on what you want and what you need. So the first advantage that Skool has is members can move between the community, classroom, and leaderboard or anything else in here without dealing with any complicated dashboard. It just simple tabs here to click around and move. This is especially useful when your audience is not highly technical. You don't want members joining your program and immediately asking where are the lessons are, where to post questions, and how to find your next goal. You can just set as an example a specific category as an example here in the community tab, explaining in a short video or a short post where to navigate or how to navigate inside Skool itself or inside your community. The creator side is also relatively focused. You can just organize discussions with categories, publish courses if you want to in the classroom, schedule events, your members, and basically manage your members to or from the same community. So, if ease of use is important to you, this is one of the strongest reasons to consider Skool. The second advantage is basically the connection between your courses and community. On some courses platforms, members log in, watch as example the videos or courses that you have, and leave. But with Skool, they do have the community tab, or if you have a specific category for discussions, which is you can call it as the discussion feed. Basically, it's a major part of the experience of Skool communities. A member can watch a lesson in the classroom, return to the community, ask a question, and receive help from other creators or other members. There are a lot of communities that does that basically. You can come here, classroom, see this. Oh, you didn't understand something or something like that. You can always come here, an example, and try to type something. Of course, some communities like this one, you'll not be able to do anything unless you reach level 2. And normally level 2 will be available after you watch one thing or two videos or two courses. So they understand that you are actually committed to the community. You don't just come here to say nonsense. And of course, this can work well for coaching programs, educational memberships, accountability groups, and communities where members benefit from helping each other. And before we continue, if you want to test the platform before deciding, you can use my link down below in the description to get 14 days for free and start building your community courses and memberships today. Now, as example, another advantage is basically gamification. Members can basically earn points when their posts and comments receives likes. Those points can move them through different levels and place them on the community leaderboard. As the community owner, you can connect certain rewards, so connecting, example, certain rewards or contents to those levels. For examples, members could unlock a bonus course after reaching a specific level. This can encourage people to participate instead of just joining the group and never returning. However, points alone will not make a community active. Members still need useful content, regular discussions, good events, and a reason to help each other. Gamification supports a good community, but it cannot replace a one. Also, one of the most pros that Skool have is basically pricing. Skool currently offers two plans. If you go here, an example, let me just go and show you. So they do have the hobby plan and the pro plan. The hobby plan costs only $9 a month, and if you pay yearly, you'll get 2 months for free for both hobby and pro. As you can see, the pro costs $99. So you get the main features that you want if you get even the hobby one. So you get unlimited members, courses, video calls, and live calls. But you will miss on the custom URL and affiliate, and the transaction fee will be high. So it's going to be 10% plus a 30 or 30 cents per transaction. So if you do have some low cost, as example, courses like $2, $1 course, it might be a problem for you. And of course, they have the Pro plan, which has everything unlimited again, with a custom URL, an affiliate link, and a low transaction fee. Of course, the $9 a month or plan per month makes Skool much easier to test than when the platform only had the more expensive option. But of course, the 10% fee means hobby might or may be able or may being stopped the cheaper choice once your community begun generating consistent revenue. If you want the exact numbers, if your community is making more than 1,300, I guess, dollars, it's a little bit less than that, then the pro plan will become worth it. Of course, it will include like the price of the plan as well. But keep in mind, if you do have some cheap things that you sell, like by for $1, $2, 30 cents per transaction, might be annoying to you. So now let's talk about the disadvantages or cons of Skool. They only have some limited customization. Skool communities generally follow the same layouts. You can add your community name, image, description, and just few other things like category, content, but you cannot redesign every part of the platform like where you can do it on a custom website if you do have a custom website. But it might be a good thing you are looking for a simple thing, or if you prefer, as example, a ready-made system and you don't want to spend time designing everything, this may not bother you at all. The second disadvantage is the transaction fee. It's a little bit high, specifically if you're trying to start out on $9 a month. It looks affordable, but Skool takes 10% when basically you make a sale through that plan. This might be, maybe as an example, acceptable while testing an offer or making only few sales, but if your revenue grows, the fee can become significant where you'll have to switch to the Pro plan. And as I said before, the breakpoint is $1,300. So if you don't judge the plan by their monthly subscription price, consider this a subscription and the transaction fee together, which is 30 cents per transaction, as I mentioned before. Another disadvantage is basically requiring active management. So paying for Skool does not automatically create an active community. You'll still need to bring the right members, publish useful content, and basically answer questions and be active with your community. So creating discussions, hosting events, and everything. Skool provides the tool for inviting members, organizing content, and scheduling communities, but the platform cannot create the value for you. You will have to do it yourself. A quiet community on Skool is still a quiet community. So before joining as a creator, make sure you have a clear topic, clear reason for people to join, and a plan for keeping them involved. So basically, who Skool is worth for. Skool is worth considering if you are a coach who offers an example group support, or a course creator who wants to discuss around the lessons. If you're a creator building a free or paid membership, or if you're just trying to help people, as example, with offering everything for free, you can do that only for $9. If you're also a business owner running a customer community, or if you're just someone who value simplicity over more advanced customization. So who should skip Skool? School may not be worth it if you only need the basic video course host and you don't care about the community interaction. It may be the wrong choice if you need complete control over your website design, complex landing pages, or a heavily customized student experience. You should also think carefully before choosing hobby or a community that already generates substantial revenue because of the 10% transaction if you go with the hobby plan. And finally, don't join only because you saw someone else making money with School Group. The platform can support a good offer, but it cannot fix an unclear topic, weird content, or lack of audience. So, is School still worth it in 2026? For creators who want to combine a community, courses, events, and memberships inside a simple platform, yes, it can be worth it. But School is not the best choice for everyone. Its simple design comes with limited customization, and the hobby transaction fee can become expensive as your sales increase. So the right decision will basically depend on whether the community interaction is central to what you are building. And of course, once again, if you want to try School yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to get 14 days for free and start building your community, courses, and membership today. So this is my honest review about School's example in 2026. I hope you liked this video and found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.